Ella learns to share. In a wide green jungle, there lived a little elephant named Ella. She was cute, kind, and loved her shiny blue ball more than anything. Every day, Ella played with her ball. She threw it, kicked it, and rolled it around happily. One morning, her friends, Leo the lion and Tia the monkey, came to play. "Can we play with your ball too?" they asked. "No, it's my ball," said Ella, holding it close. Her friends looked sad and walked away. Ella played alone, but it wasn't fun anymore. She looked around, no one to laugh or play with her. That night, Ella couldn't sleep. She thought, maybe I was not kind today. The next morning, Ella saw Leo and Tia playing with sticks and leaves. They made a small game together and were laughing happily. Ella wanted to join them, but she felt shy. What if they're still upset? She wondered. Then Leo saw Ella and smiled. "Come join us, Ella." Ella's heart felt warm. Ella rolled her blue ball to them. "Let's play together," she said. They took turns rolling, kicking, and tossing the ball. They laughed louder than ever before. When the sun began to set, Ella said, "I'm so happy I shared." Her friends hugged her tight. From that day, Ella always shared her toys and games. She learned that sharing makes friendship stronger. The jungle was full of laughter again. Ella, Leo, and Tia played together every day. And Ella said every day, "Sharing makes my heart happy." Sparkling Heart.